Hey YouTube viewers, we're about to ding dong ditch this house over here. So here we go. They're probably gonna see me, so I'm gonna move. Probably gonna see us, so we might have to run because they might see us. He just went off. He just rang the rail. No, stop. Crud. What? They're not answering. Oh my god. Wait one sec.